Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This rap song is about probability. Probability is the branch of mathematics that studies the likelihood that a certain event will happen. We can answer questions such as, with respect to this die here, which is singular for dice, what is the probability that of a 6 coming up when a die is rolled? Another question related to coins. What is the probability of showing a head when a coin is tossed? And another question relating to cards. What is the probability of picking a 7 from a deck of cards? So they're the types of questions we can ask with respect to probability. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about probability. The aim of this video is to integrate mathematics, English and music. Enjoy. And now we move on to the next three verses. And let's move on to the next slide. Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by creating a rap song about probability. This video gives people the opportunity to create music to the given rap song. After that, the song can be presented at a school assembly or any school performance.